Turn up, don't you trip. Got that gas, let her rip. I arrive like a shit. Yeah, I'm up in this bitch. Yeah, I'm up in this shit. Yeah, I'm up in this bitch. Yeah, I'm up in this shit. Yeah, I'm up in this bitch. What's good, everyone? It's your boy, Token Drew, and we here with another edition of Pack and Unpack, series where I pack a bowl and unpack some cool. And today, we have ourselves a blind unboxing, baby. Yeah. From mandarake.com. From Japan. Yeah, boy. Well, let's get into it. Oh, that's so cold. All right. I'm gonna let you guys get the first look. Turn up, don't you trip. Got that gas, let her rip. I arrive like a shit. All right, what is it? I see some scales. Oh, Jesus. Oh, wow, this is huge. Oh, jeez. I'm up in this shit. Yeah, I'm up in this bitch. Yeah, I'm up in this shit. Yeah, I'm up in this bitch. Oh, jeez. This is huge. I have a Shin Godzilla now. So before I go any further, I want to make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think about some of the changes I've been doing. Any suggestions for future unboxings or future brands I should get into? Holla at your boy. Oh, wow. Look at that. Shout out to the Godzilla groups that I'm a part of on Facebook, such as the X Plus Collectors group and all the various other ones. You know, shout out to you guys. I forget the name of the cat who told me about this website. I was looking for a Shin Godzilla, and on eBay he was running like $500. And I went on my page and I was like, hey, does anybody know where I can get one for not that expensive? And he suggested me to go to mandarake.co.jp, and I found the RIC version, the RIC, for $210. That was less than half the price they were charging on eBay. Let's see if it was worth it. Super villains, innocent blooded niggas spilling, solar flint, a nigga spitting, rap mercenary on a mission to be killing, never retract. To you, we new, to us, we back. This is the revolution of rap, and we shot, now it's time to attack. Fuck 'em up. Y'all know how I go when I bust it. I'ma kill y'all motherfuckers in public. This dark shit, motherfuckers, they love it. I'm too good to be on that thug shit. Fuck with me, and I'll bust you up. You cross my team, and I'll fuck you up. Girl, look at me, and I'll fuck you slut. For simple words, don't fuck with us. I only fuck with the best hoes. I only spit with the best flows. Rap heroes, I'm your... So you can choose between which head you want to display. This one or this one. Which I'm going to go for this one. I think I'm going to in the future buy the non-attacking version so I can have both, but this is the RIC edition. So the RIC edition just comes with the extra head, the purple color variant because he's doing his attack. Hell yeah. So you know with X Plus you gotta heat up either with a blow dryer or hot water to get this to stick. So I'm gonna go do that and we're gonna talk about him. I'll be right back. Yeah, you got them all together, so let's rotate it and talk about it. We must pierce the veil at night. A genocide against all men. Don't be afraid, it's just the end. No need to pray, you're all condemned as the dealers ride again. We ride, we ride, we ride, we ride. What's good, everyone? We are back, and here he is. From the 2016 movie Shin Godzilla comes Shin Godzilla in his fourth form. This is the RIC exclusive version, which comes with the two heads and this purple highlight variant where he is doing his blasting attack. So let's talk about him, yo. So we're gonna grade him off of this scale right here. There will be some variations because the scale was made with Dragon Ball figures in mind, but it's still going to be pretty much the same thing. First things first is detail. X Plus are dope with detail, so I'm just going to go ahead and give them a 20 off rip. They really captured all of the detail that you saw in the movie. He looks great. Next up, let's talk about his base. As you can see, he doesn't have a base. However, I mean, look how freakishly big he is. Like, look at his tail, you know what I'm saying? So, he's not very space efficient. So, out of the 10 possible points that he could get, I'm only going to give him 5 points. And I kind of have a feeling that a lot of the X Plus figures are going to suffer from not being space efficient because they are all monsters with these big tails. Moving on, let's talk about his pose. And I like his pose. I like this Godzilla attacking, not just roaring. His head is cocked back a little bit. It looks like he's actually about to fire that crazy blast of his. So it's not really unique because I do have another Godzilla now that's roaring. And that being said, I'm only going to give him a 15 for pose. Next up is his paint. His paint is really good. The purples fade into the gray to give it like a glowing effect. Looks like he's actually charging up. It gives a very light up effect without it actually lighting up. There are no paint imperfections that I can tell. So I'm going to give him another 20 points. So for character accuracy, he looks exactly like how he does in the movie. X Plus is fantastic when it comes to getting the likeness down of these Goji suits, and it shows. Almost every single one looks fantastic. However, I'm not going to give him perfect 20 points because on his neck, and I don't know if my camera's going to pick this up, but on his neck in the sculpt, there's it looks like a fingerprint pressed in on it. I am not going to deduct too many points for that. But I still got to take something off, so I'm only going to give him 19 points for character accuracy. For his bonuses, I'm going to give him an extra 5 points because he is an amazing figure. And it's my first RIC exclusive, so that's pretty dope. I went from no X Plus figures a month ago to now, here's my fourth. And my first expression / first impression when I saw him was amazement because I didn't realize how big the box was going to be. And it's just always such a good look for these characters every time. So with that, he gets another 5 points, bringing his overall score up to 89 points. 89 is an A-. Now, there are some flaws or deductions I did give that I didn't list in part of my overall numbers, but it's not going to change the score. It's just reasons why it's not perfect. Putting him together was a bit difficult. His tail did not want to cooperate even with the hot water method, so that was very obnoxious. It's not that big of a deal because I eventually got it, as you can tell, the way it should be, but still it's just, so that was one of the flaws, one of the cons. And his space, he's going to be a difficult character to fit up here. I got to find where I can display him properly, but you know what, we're going to do it? Hell yeah. So stay tuned, because episode 100, as well as my Dragon Ball giveaway, is coming up soon. So make sure you follow me on social media, because eventually I'm going to start talking about this. I'm going to take some pictures and I'm going to get up out of here. Thanks for kicking it. It's Blaze and Collect, yo. Just say your word and the nigga transform, but every fucking day I'm a G for life. Working at the beat as a G for life. With a girl on my D, I'm a G for life. I'ma go get a real nigga, don't feel it. I'ma stand slow, homie, I'm a G for life. Never back down, now can't stop me down. Perfect to my style as a G for life. Just say your word and the nigga transform, but every fucking day I'm a G for life. Working at the beat as a G for life. With a girl on my D, I'm a G for life. I'm the lyrical devil with a power cloud. Spitting adamantium, nigga, my flow the hardest. Break a track so much it's catastrophic. Another topic, turn your chicken to my nut deposit. I so ready like Cyclops optics. My hot chick in my line is out like a target. She got a squad of thought bitches round their garden. Doesn't matter, I'ma get up in that ass regardless. Motherfucker, I'm a G, but the G mean many. Red ring on my fang in the rage. Say anything, girl, we can hang. Mary Jane and Spider-Man. Let me bite into your neck with my blade fang. Come on, lead a charge, and I'm like, go late. Drinking real liquor. Fuck bottles of rose. No shame, Jameson, no butter shots, no OJ. Take it straight like this blunt of OJ to the face. Eyes so red, you would think I'm possessed. Trying to find a real chick with fictitious breasts. Trying to find an enemy, battle to death. So many twists in my life. What's happening next? You can tell I'm a G, and it doesn't take a scholar, bro. Searching for beats, but I'm trying to find Excalibur. Can't see me, even if you have binoculars. I was a geek before geeks were popular. I'ma go get a real nigga, no feeling on my stance, love, homie, I'm a G for life. Never back down, y'all can't stop me now. Perfect to my style as a G for life. Just say your word and the nigga transform, but every fucking day I'm a G for life. Working to the beat as a G for life. With a girl on my D, I'm a G for life. I'ma go get a real nigga, no feeling on my stance, love, homie, I'm a G for life. Never back down, y'all can't stop me now. Perfect to my style as a G for life. Just say your word and the nigga transform, but every fucking day I'm a G for life. Working to the beat as a G for life. With a girl on my D, I'm a G for life. All right, everybody, we are back, and here he is, the RIC exclusive Shin Godzilla. Have him on my little Godzilla shelf I made over here, filled with my X Plus, my NECA, and Bandai Godzillas. Got quite the little collection building up. But yeah, this figure is dope, like I've said in my review. One thing that really impressed me, honestly, is how this head actually has his eyes with the black film over it, just like in the movie. So I thought that was really cool. X Plus, you guys are badass. And the detail that is added to every figure is absolutely amazing. Highly recommend it. Highly recommend you guys subscribing to my channel to catch more unboxings of various different figures and franchises. Till then, I'm your boy Token Drew. Live up, smoke out, and game on. I'm out this bitch. Thanks for watching. Peace. Yo, give me some working 80 hour weeks, 2 jobs, 2 kids, I'm never tired. Smell like we talk shit to the boss. Fuck you, Bob, I'm never fired. I am Mr. Turn Up, token down to burn one. I'm that nigga that'll order 15 shots to the round and do another. Let's go get it. To this rap, I stay committed. You put Godzilla on these tracks and your defense was hip hop. Man, just check it out. Won't fuck with you till you smoke this chronic blue.